What is trauma-informed pedagogy? A brief introduction. Trauma-informed pedagogy is an approach to teaching that keeps student trauma in mind. When students enter our classroom, they're not a blank slate. They come to us with a variety of life experiences, and for many, this means trauma. Some examples of trauma include physical abuse, sexual abuse, emotional abuse, physical neglect, and emotional neglect, among others. Childhood trauma can be assessed via the ACEs quiz, which measures adverse childhood experiences. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, traumatic experiences often result in dysfunctional behavior during adulthood. In school settings, this trauma may manifest in atypical behavior such as sleeping or fighting in class. So what can teachers do about this phenomenon? There are many ways that teachers can promote a trauma-informed classroom. For example, teachers can begin by getting to know their students through a series of class discussions. Padlet, for instance, provides an excellent discussion board experience for students. Another strategy is to educate students on emotional self-regulation. Implementing consistent routines so the students know what to expect can also help. Practicing mindful breathing activities during class can also promote student well-being. When we teach our students life skills such as emotional self-regulation and creative problem solving, they feel empowered. Focusing on the root cause of behavior as opposed to strict disciplinary action is another strategy. Finally, educators can become familiar with the literature on adverse childhood experiences to understand how trauma works. Practical application. Some practical activities include having students take the ACEs quiz and 16 personalities test. Additionally, teachers can also facilitate group discussions that prioritize community building and empathy. When students are able to empathize with others, they find connection, which can be the difference between post-traumatic stress and post-traumatic growth. In conclusion, trauma-informed pedagogy is one of the most effective ways to engage our most vulnerable students. Thanks for watching.